Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. This is me Kate, and in this tutorial I'm gonna show you what does pending mean on Snapchat. Now without any further ado, let's jump into the video. First of all, launch Snapchat app. Now make sure that you're logged into your account, and after that go to your chat. From the bottom of your screen, tap on chat option. Once you tap on there, in here you might see pending option when you try to send chats to someone on Snapchat. Now there are two reasons behind that. First one, make sure that you have proper internet connection. When you have poor internet connection on your device, the chat could not be sent and then you will see pending. So make sure that you have proper internet connection. And the second reason is that the person you are trying to send snap or chat might have blocked you or is not able to receive any snap from you. In that case, you will see pending. So make sure that the person that you are trying to reach out hasn't blocked you and is active on Snapchat. Or if you try to send chat to some random account on Snapchat, you might also get pending since you are not friend with that account. I hope this video was helpful. That's all for today, and do not forget to subscribe, like and hit the notification bell icon. Thank you for watching till the end. I will see you on next video.